Hi, I'm Kira from My Fussy Eater. Welcome back to my channel, where today I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe that's been really popular on my blog for the past year or so. It's a super simple but really tasty quinoa smoothie. Now, we've all seen quinoa explode over the past couple of years. Everybody's eating it, it's in loads of recipes, but it can be really tricky to get kids to eat it, and that's why I love to put it in smoothies. Okay, so let's get on with it. The ingredients we're going to need are milk, Greek yogurt, a banana, some mixed frozen berries, cooked quinoa, and a little honey. So very quickly, all we need to do is to pop all those ingredients into a blender, and we're going to blitz it up until it's completely smooth. You will probably have to blend this for a little longer than your usual smoothie, just to make sure that the quinoa is all completely smooth. And that's it, super simple, really tasty, and so nutritious too. It's best served straight away, but you can keep it in the fridge for up to a day if you like. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please do click the like button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for brand new recipes every week, and I'll see you next time.